wash my hands. So I think I can see in here some sort of joins where they're all coming out of the top, but whether or not I'll be able to cut them off enough to get some roots out is another matter. This one is very tight. I can hear it snapping. One. Two, three, oh, delicate. 4, 5, 6, 7. These might be a bit problematic. They've got no roots at all. So we've got 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a good one. 11. 12. That one's really well joined, but I'm going to rip it apart anyway, just because I can, and I'm going to see if they grow. So that's another. Oh, look, that's got a tiny bit of root on. And then this one has got lots of dead leaves on, so pull those off. Actually, I think this might be 2. It's still 2 joined together. I think I just might leave those joined together for the heck of it. So that one's got the most root ball on it, but we shall see. So I might just put this one back, the original, back in the main pot. Push it one in with its original soil. Again, I've probably got it sticking up too much, but that's a bit of an ugly one, really.
Ones in, the ones that have got a bit less in the bottom.
Right, so we'll try this one then. I'm not sure how you're going to get the soil in around it. Maybe just scatter it all over the top, do you think?
Ah, well, it maybe needs a bit more soil on the bottom, perhaps.
I'm going to see if these grow just without any root at all. Just pushing them into the soil. That one's got a tiny root. And in this instance, I'm just scattering the soil over the top, and I think maybe when I water it, it might just come through, I don't know. Just one more. "14 plants. We'll see how well they grow then.